Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb ishtara to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'ilun madin, past tense. Fi'ilun madin, past participle. Fi'ilun madin. This is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an incident that took place in the past. The question is, how do we change the verb ishtara to suit the pronouns below? Ishtara simply means he has bought. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb ishtara to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb ishtara to suit ana? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying dumma to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. The verb ishtara will now become ishtaraitu, which means I have bought. Ithnan, number two. Nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb ishtara to suit nahnu? All you need to do is to attach na to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. The verb ishtara will now become ishtaroina, ishtaroina, which means we have bought. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we now change the verb ishtara to suit anta? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying fataha to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. The verb ishtara will now become ishtaraita, which means you have bought. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb ishtara to suit anti? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying kasra to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. The verb ishtara will now become ishtaraiti, which means you have bought. You can only use this to address a single female person. Khamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb ishtara to suit here? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying sukun to the last letter. So the verb ishtara will now become ishtarat. Ishtarat. Now you may ask me, there was ya'un or alifun written in the form of ya'un in ishtara. However, the alifun or the ya'un, the alifun written in the form of ya'un is now missing in ishtarat. What led to that? Remember I told us in the previous lessons that two letters carrying sukun will never meet in Arabic. The alifun written in the form of ya'un was taking sukun, and the ta'un is also taking sukun. If we should allow both of them to be, that will now lead to two letters carrying sukun meeting at the same time. So what do we do to avoid that? We cancel it. So the verb ishtara will now become ishtarat, which means she has bought. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that shows that something has happened. Manfiyun, manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that shows that something has not happened. For instance, wahid, number one. Ishtara, he has bought. Mashtara, he has not bought. Ithnan, number two. Ishtarat, she has bought. Mashtarat, she has not bought. Thalatha, number three. Ishtaraitu, I have bought. Mashtaraitu, I have not bought. Arba'a, number four. Ishtarayna, we bought. Mashtarayna, we didn't buy or we have not bought. Ishtarayna, we have bought. Mashtarayna, we have not bought. Khamsa, number five. Ishtarayta, you have bought. Talking to a single male person. Mashtarayta, you have not bought. Sitta, number six. Ishtarayti, you have bought. Talking to a single female person. Mashtarayti, you have not bought. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand the logic. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid number 1. هل اشترى زيد كتابا. Note, you are going to read it as هل اشترى, not هل اشترى زيد, not هل اشترى, because the alifun must be dropped when found in the center of a sentence or in the middle of a sentence. You drop the alif. The alif can only be read when found at the beginning of a sentence. You see, هل اشترى, not هل اشترى, not هل اشترى. هل اشترى زيد كتابا. هل اشترى زيد كتابا. Has Zaid bought a book? Now the answer, لا, no. ما اشترى زيد كتابا. ما اشترى زيد كتابا. Zaid has not bought a book. اثنان, number 2. من أينش. من أينش. Did you hear that? من أين اشترت زينب بيضها. Don't say من أين اشترت زينب. من أين اشترت زينب. That is wrong. Rather, you say من أين اشترت زينب بيضها. من أين اشترت زينب بيضها. So where did Zainab buy her egg from? If not, now the answer. اشترت زينب بيضها من السوق. اشترت زينب بيضها من السوق. اشترت زينب بيضها. Zainab bought her eggs من السوق, from the market. Remember, Mina is an agent of kasra. Either Mina or Min is an agent of kasra. So it must give kasra to the last letter of any word in Arabic appearing after it, as we have it in Mina suqi, not Mina suqa or Mina suqo. Rather, Mina suqi. ثلاثة, number 3. هل اشتريت سيارة يا أخي. هل اشتريت سيارة يا أخي. هل اشتريت سيارة. Have you bought a car? يا أخي, my brother. Now the answer, نعم, yes. اشتريت سيارة. اشتريت سيارة. I have bought a car. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. أربعة, number 4. هل اشتريت بيتا يا أختي. هل اشتريت بيتا يا أختي. هل اشتريت بيتا. Have you bought a house? يا أختي, my sister. Now the answer, لا, no. ما اشتريت بيتا. ما اشتريت بيتا. I have not bought a house. خمسة, number 5. هل اشتريتما جملا. هل اشتريتما جملا. Have you both bought جملا, a camel. هل اشتريتما جملا. Have you both bought a camel? Now the answer, نعم, yes. اشترينا جملا. اشترينا جملا. We have bought a camel. ستة, number 6. متى اشتريتم أرضكم يا إخوة. متى اشتريتم أرضكم يا إخوة. متى اشتريتم أرضكم. When did you all buy your land يا إخوة, brothers. Now the answer, اشتريناها في الأسبوع الماضي. اشتريناها في الأسبوع الماضي. اشتريناها, we bought it. في الأسبوع الماضي, last week. اشتريناها, we bought it. في الأسبوع الماضي, last week. In case you are talking to a group of female persons, so how do you say it? متى اشتريتن أرضكن يا أخوات. متى اشتريتن أرضكن يا أخوات. متى اشتريتن. When did you all buy أرضكن, your land, يا أخوات, sisters. Now the answer, اشتريناها في الأسبوع الماضي. اشتريناها, we bought it. في الأسبوع الماضي, last week. So how do you say next week in Arabic? في الأسبوع القادم. في الأسبوع القادم, next week. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clip, and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.